sobra yung winter, as in sobrang labig. So, tsaka nagiging part siya ng mission namin. So, mas mahirap. Iba talaga. Mag-iiba talaga lahat. Visually.
Hi Angel. So for ano yung pakiramdam mo na officially na pinakilala na kayo sa media for the Sparkle 10?
Ako, I'm happy na it's finally out. Kasi yun nga, parang lahat din kami, kinabahan kami, at the same time, na-excite kami. So after nung shoot, it's more of the excitement na excited na kami na mapakita ko, malabas ko sa tao, and finally, it's here, and we're doing this now, we're finally starting it, so I'm just very happy.
So pasok tayo sa ano para sa mga shows. So far, you're done shooting na with Running Man.
Yes.
So kailan
kakauwi ko lang.
Kakauwi mo lang. So musta yung ito yung second season, di ba? So ano yung expect namin with you? Kasi di ba rumble na tayo from first season. Ngayon, ano yung mga expect namin sa team, especially for you for this year?
This time different na siya. Aside from summer namin ginawa yung first season, so this season winter na, and it's sobra yung winter, as in sobrang labig. So tsaka nagiging part siya ng mission namin, so mas mahirap. Iba talaga, mag-iiba talaga lahat. Visually, with me naman siguro may nag-iba din kasi I know na lahat naman kami nag-improve from the season 1. Lahat kami parang alam mo yun, nagkaroon kami ng iba't ibang realization, character development. So I think may iba ring makikita yung mga tao sa aming lahat this season.
Yes. Tapos, siyempre everyone is looking forward sa Sangre kasi 'di ba from the Toycon, sobrang dami nagawa from the nung New Year reveal yung with the mga mga naunang Sangre. So far ano na yung development ninyo with the Sangre?
So far ako hindi pa rin ako nakakapag-dating since they're still preparing yung setup and all kasi it's gonna be a big production. So now nagte-train pa rin ako. I'm training myself and also attending din training namin talaga for Sangre.
Did you ever try talking with sila Kylie, sila Miss Isa for being
she's always there, alam mo yun, na parang if I need something, if I need some advice, she's always there, and I appreciate that a lot. With Kylie, I get to talk to her nung nag-shoot kami for the New Year na pinalabas. So, yeah, it's nice na nakausap ko din siya.
Yeah, I remember nagkausap kayo during Shake Rattle and all. So, ongoing pa rin yung usapan ninyo?
I still haven't message Miss Isa pa ulit. Kasi syempre ayoko rin namang mag-store ko, diba? Pero, it's nice lang na every time nagkikita kami, and nung last na nagkita kami, she would always remind me na I'm just here. Alam mo yun, sinasabi niya na andyan na siya. So, that is enough for me.
So far, di ba, syempre pa summer na, then magkakaroon ng 1 week break. So for the do you have any plans for the summer?
Ako, gusto ko talaga mag-travel. Gusto ko pa mas magpunta sa mga dagat kasi na-miss ko since mas madagat akong tao. So nung nasa Korea ako, parang yes, ang saya ng lamig, pero at the same time parang nami-miss ko yung tropical, nami-miss ko yung dagat. So pag uwi ko, nagdagat agad ako, pero nabitin ako. So siguro magdadagat na lang ulit ako.
Last Angel, what is women empowerment for you, especially sa Women's Month?
Siguro inspiring other people to be themselves. Kasi ako, yun talaga yung tinatry ko. Gusto ko maging authentic as much as possible. I'm not the type na would please people to like me. What you see is what you get. Yun ako. So, I think it's nice lang to share that to other people and alam mo yun, empower other women by being yourself and loving yourself.
Thank you, Angel.